Understanding, meet the standard, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, meet the standard. This phrase pops up in various contexts, from academics to the workplace, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. Meet the standard is a phrase that means to achieve or reach a set level of quality or requirement. It's often used when discussing qualifications, expectations, or guidelines in different scenarios. Think of it as reaching a bar that has been set for a specific purpose. For instance, if a product meets the standard, it has all the qualities required by those who set these standards. Let's see how this phrase works in different settings. 1. Education. Students must meet the standard to pass the course. Here, it means students need to achieve the required grades or level of understanding. 2. Workplace. Her work consistently meets the standard of our company. This implies that her work quality consistently matches the company's expectations. 3. Product quality. This device meets the industry standard for safety. This means the device has passed certain safety tests that are commonly accepted in the industry. Understanding the context is crucial for interpreting the meaning correctly. There are other phrases similar to meet the standard that are useful to know. Exceed the standard, to do better than what is required or expected. Below the standard, not reaching the level of quality or requirement needed. Set the standard, to establish a level of quality or achievement that others should aim to reach. How can you use this phrase in everyday communication? It's great for expressing satisfaction or dissatisfaction. This product doesn't meet the standard. Discussing goals and objectives, we aim to meet the standard set by our industry leaders. Giving feedback. Your recent work meets the standard we expect from our team members. And that's a wrap on meet the standard. Remember, this phrase is all about reaching a specific level of quality or requirement. It's versatile and can be used in many different contexts. We hope this video helps you understand and use meet the standard confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.